Welcome to part 2 of common words, names, and phrases in Kikuyu language. Tũũhoro tũhũthagĩrũo mũno kĩrathi-inĩ kĩa rũthiomi. That is, phrases that are used a lot in the classroom of language. That is common language class phrases. One of them is wĩcokere. Cokera is repeat. So Cokera is repeat. Remember, there are some people who read or will pronounce it as Cokera or Cokera. Both are correct. So wĩcokere. That's repeat yourself. Please repeat yourself. Most of the time, this syllable ta is used to mean, it's just to show politeness. So it's the one that is standing for please. We, in this phrase here, we stands for yourself. Yourself. That's the one that is giving the indication of you. Wĩcokere. So Cokera kiugo kiu. Again, please. Cokera is repeat. Kiugo is word. Kiu is that. Okay. Cokera ciugo icio. So Cokera, please repeat. Ciugo, words. Icio, those. Okay, that's how you create the sentence. The negative is D. D means I will not. In this context, Ndigũcokera is I will not. Cokera is repeat. So I will not repeat. Nĩndacokera maita maingĩ. Ne stands for I in this context. Nĩnda, I have. So this one, these two, nĩnda, just emphasize that I have. Cokera is repeat. So I've repeated maita many times. Maita maingĩ. Maita is times. Maingĩ is many. Maita maingĩ now would mean many times. I've repeated many times or severally. Again, remember D is a negative. So Ndinacokera, I didn't repeat. Okay. You might want to ask somebody to spell a word. Now, in Kikuyu language, there is no proper word for spell. So we usually borrow the word spell from English to come up with this word, thibeera. It's like S becomes V. The becomes F. Thibeera. So thibeera, kiugo is word. Kiu, that. Thibeera, kiugo, kiu. So if you want to say, please spell that word, you will say thibeera, kiugo, kiu. Repeat that on your own. There's another word that I have written here, which is Njokerera. If you can look closely, Njokerera is just another form of Cokera. Njokerera. Alright, so Njokerera means repeat for me. Njokerera Njokerera would mean please repeat for me. But it also means, Njokerera also means return to me. Where a person wants to go back to God. God says, Njokerera, come back to me. Alright, so that is our lesson for the day. I hope you have enjoyed. We're going to go to part 3 of common phrases next.